Hey guys, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and in this tutorial, we'll be going over how to create promo codes to offer discounts on Teespring. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications bell to be notified each time I release a new tutorial. It's been shown that promo codes can help boost your conversion rates by up to 60%. On Teespring, you can create promo codes to offer free shipping, a specific dollar amount off the entire purchase, or a percentage off. Promo codes are a great way to reward repeat customers and to get new customers to visit your store. So now let's go over the process to create promo codes on Teespring. Once you log into your Teespring account, let's look at the top right hand corner and click the drop down menu beside your email. From here, let's go down to the tab that says Promotions. This should take you to the page where you can create promo codes for your Teespring products. If we go down to the section that says Create New Promotion, you can see that there are 4 fields that you need to fill out in order to create your promo. First, you'll need to create an alphanumeric code to use as your promo. This means your code should consist of letters and numbers only. Once you've selected a code for your promo, you can now select the type of promo you wish to create. If you click the drop-down menu here, you can see that there are 2 types of promos you can create. You can offer a discount or offer free shipping. But keep in mind that for now, free shipping is only available to US customers. For this example, I think I'll create a promo code to offer a discount. Under amount, if I click the drop-down menu here, I can select to offer a discount based on a percentage of the price or a specific dollar amount. Since I have a catalog of products all with different prices, I think I'll create a promo to offer a 10% discount on the purchase instead of a specific dollar amount. Once you've selected your amount, you can now select the expiration date for your promo code. To select a specific date, simply click the box here and you'll see a calendar pop up where you can select the date where you want your promo code to end. If you leave this box blank, the promo code will have no expiration date and will remain active until you disable the promo code. So once you've filled in your alphanumeric promo code, the type of promo, the amount, and the expiration, you can now click on Add Discount. Your new promo code has now been created, and if you look at the section that says All Promotions, you should see it added down here at the bottom. In the All Promotions section, you can see all the promo codes that you've created and their current status. For each code, you can see the amount of the discount, when the promo code expires, how many times it's been redeemed, and the status of the promo code, which you can easily turn on or off here. If you wanted to remove a code from the All Promotions section, simply click on the X on the right hand side. So now that we've created a new promo code, let's go over how the discount can be applied to your products. There are actually 2 different ways that buyers can apply your promo codes to receive their discounts. The first method is for buyers to simply enter the promo code during checkout. Let's go over an example of this process now. So let's say I message my past buyers and inform them that I have a new promo code for 10% off that's available to the end of the month. Customers can then visit my storefront and select any product that they wish to apply the discount to. Once they select their product, they can click on Add to Cart and then click on Proceed to Checkout. This should take them to the checkout page where they can enter their contact info, their payment info, and view their order summary. If you look near the bottom under the order summary section, you can see a link that says I have a promo code. Buyers can simply click this link and then enter the promo code that you provided. Once they enter the promo code, they can then click on Apply. And voila! As you can see, the discount has been applied to this current order. We can see that a 10% discount has been applied, which provides the customer with a $2.30 reduction in the retail price. With shipping and sales tax included, our subtotal has gone from $30.69 to $28.39. So now that the promo code has been entered, customers can proceed with the checkout process to receive their discount. Another way to provide a discount code to your customers is to create a promotion URL. With the promotion URL, buyers can click the link that you provide to be taken to your product with the discount applied. So let's go through the process to create a promotion URL for your products. For this example, I'm going to create a promotion URL to add to a marketing post for the followers of my martial art lifestyle brand page on Facebook. To get started, go ahead and create a promo code just like before by filling in your alphanumeric code, the type of promo, your amount, and the expiration date for your code. Once you're finished, go ahead and click on Add Discount. You should now see your new promo code appear in the All Promotions section at the bottom. So now that I have my promo code, I can now create my promotion URL. First, let's head over to my shop and select the design to promote. This is a new design that I just created for the followers of my martial art lifestyle brand page on Facebook. So let's create a promotional URL that they can click to get 10% off this design. We've already created our promo code, so now all we have to do is add it to our URL. The format of your promotion URL will be teespring.com/your listing URL that you created when you uploaded your design /PR, the equal sign, then the promo code that we just created to use for this promotion. The easiest thing to do is to go up to the page URL, select and delete all of this text that comes after your listing URL, and then add the lowercase PR, equal sign, and your promo code. And there we have it. We've just created a promotion URL for this design. Now you can copy this URL and send it to your past buyers, your email list, your social media fans, podcast listeners, or anywhere else your audience may hang out. When someone clicks your promotion link, they'll be taken to your product listing and be greeted with the congratulations cha-ching notice informing them that they have 10% off their purchase. The message can also be seen at the top of the listing page itself as well. Using promo codes can help boost your conversion rates up to 60%. One of the best ways to market your Teespring products is to use promotional codes in a social media post to your followers. For example, this is a social media post I'm creating for my martial art lifestyle brand page on Facebook. You want your post to have good copywriting and a good image or video to make sure you grab their attention. No one's gonna click the promotion link if they don't actually stop and look at the post, right? So let's take a look at the post that I just created for my followers. Hopefully that'll get some attention. If you want to create design mockups and promotional videos like this one, check out the link in the video description to access thousands of mockup, image, and video templates that you can use to promote your products. So after your content grabs their attention, they can read your text to build interest and click the promotion URL that you provided to be taken to the discounted product. So that's an example of how to create promotions and discount codes on Teespring. Make sure you drop a like on the video and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.